Bonjour everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Adhya. In this video I'm back with something super fun, since in this video we're going to be learning about some new vocabulary which is also about sports, and I thought what could be a better way to learn some new vocabulary than anagrams. So we have some anagrams as you can see on the screen now, and we have to jumble them, so I'm kind of excited and we're going to learn some new vocabulary. So the name of this unit is, or video is, Vive le sport, and Vive le sport means long live the sports. Kind of interesting, right? Now solve the anagrams to find the words for sports and activities and write in the correct article le, la and l apostrophe. So le is used for masculine, la is for feminine, and l apostrophe is for anything which starts with a vowel. Doesn't matter if it's feminine or masculine, there's this another class of words which is vowels. Okay, the first one, I know it might seem like it's lovely. Well, it's not lovely. It's le volley, which is volleyball. Then we have le jogging, which is same in English and it means jogging. So I mean, these sports that you might be seeing now are super easy because they're quite similar to what it is in English and then what it is in French. Then this one, I'm pretty sure everybody must have guessed it, le football. It's spelled the same as English and the pronunciation is also kind of same, not exactly but kind of. This is le natation and it means sailing. So this is not quite a frequent used word, so I'm pretty sure this might be new to you, so make sure to write it down. Also, we have used L apostrophe since it starts with the vowel A. Oh wow, this one is super easy. It's le ski, which means ski ultimately. Then we have le acrobatie, which means acrobatics. Great. So yeah, that's it. Then we have a next exercise which is even more interesting. So we have to put the activities in the right order according to the text, which is here below on your screen. So we have to write 1, 2, 3. So let's read the text once. Mes parents, Massa et moi, nous avons quitté les campagnes et nous avons traversé les ponts, nous sommes passés devant les mairies et nous sommes arrivés au café vers midi. On a bu une limonade et ensuite mes parents sont restés au café et Massa et moi, nous sommes retournés au camping où on a joué au ball. So first of all, I'm not going to translate it for you, otherwise you'll get the answers immediately and that's not something we want to do that easy. So first, let's see. Okay, also the phrases that are underlined for you by the yellow highlighter are the ones which are going to help you figure out the answers. So make sure you pay extra attention to them. Now, if I see the first phrase, it's nous avons quitté les campagnes. Now, camping is same as English, so we know that we're talking about camping somewhere. And quit, if you look at that word is quite similar to what we have in English word quit. Right? It means to quit something, to leave something. Now, if I talk about that, then the only answer that's matching is B and G because they're both talking about campsite. But if you talk about the second constraint, which is basically leaving something, that's only G. Thus, G is the right answer, which is first. So G is 1. Then we have nous avons traversé les ponts. Now, since I'm pretty sure you might not know really about this, le pont is bridge. And the only option which is talking about bridge is C. So it's talking about crossing a bridge, and traverse means crossing. So the right answer would be C as 2. Then we have nous sommes passés devant les mairies. Now, if you don't know what mairie or anything else is, devant is, you should know passer. Passer is quite similar to what we have in English, to pass something. And the only answer that's matching that is H. Past or going past, right? So mairie is a town hall, so going past a town hall, that's 3. Then we have nous sommes arrivés au café vers midi. Wow, arriver, so easy. It's so relatable to what we have in English, to arrive. We arrive au café, so at a cafe vers midi, by afternoon. So that's, now if you talk about cafe only, then we have how many options? We have 2 options, which are D and F, but we're talking about arriving at a cafe, arriver. That's why the right one is gonna be D. So that's 4. Then we have on a bu une limonade. So we drink a lemonade. So lemonade is basically a drink, and if you're talking about a drink, that's only option A, thus that's 5. On suit, mes parents sont restés au café. On suit is next. My parents are resting at the cafe. So that will be staying at the cafe, which is F, because there are only 2 options talking about cafe and we've already used up the 1. So F would be the one which is going to be suitable for this one. Then we have last 2 left, which is B and E. So one is talking about going back to the campsite, one is talking about playing blues. Now if you go to the next sentence, it's saying Su, Masa et moi, nous sommes retournés au camping. So camping is there, obviously, so that makes it B, but okay, let's not make it that obvious, but we can also say returning is basically going back, so thus B is the right answer. The last one, on a joué au boule, which is ultimately E. So E is 8. Right, so yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I think this was super fun when we did it using these fun activities like reading paragraphs and answering. These are also really important skills which you need for your French test. So we're also gonna do this like similar kind of activities in the next video. So stay tuned. Do not forget to like and share these videos, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have anything you want to ask or communicate. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.